Our top story this afternoon, the second week of jury selection now underway in the David Ware murder trial.
Ware, of course, is charged with shooting and killing Tulsa Police Sergeant Craig Johnson, as well as shooting Officer Aresh Zarkashan nearly 2 years ago. News on 6's Reagan Ledbetter is live once again at the Tulsa County Courthouse with today's developments. Reagan?
Shannon and Brian, attorneys for both sides have questioned 100 people over the last 6 days, and right now they're close to having enough people who say they can consider a death sentence. Those people have been moved to the next round of questioning. Now, they wanted about 50 to 55 people in this category, and right now they sit at 48. They also brought in 50 new people today to help them get to that number, and they're being questioned in the courtroom right now. The judge, prosecutors, and defense attorneys have been focusing only on 3 big topics so far: the death penalty, what people already knew about the case, and any scheduling conflicts for the potential jurors. The jurors have to be able to consider all 3 of those possible punishments if Ware is found guilty, which are life without parole, life with the possibility of parole, and death. Some people have said they could not consider sentencing someone to death no matter what. Others say they couldn't give someone the possibility of parole if they're guilty of murder. Now, both parties expect to have a 12-person jury and 2 alternates in place by Thursday. Shannon?
And Reagan, before you go, could more potential jurors be called into questioning if they don't get that 50 to 55 number they're looking for?
Yeah, they were just talking about that in the courtroom a little bit ago. They're so close to that number right now. They brought in that group of 50 this morning to fill out the questionnaire. So they're starting to question some of that group right now to hopefully get them closer to that 50 to 55. But they think probably by today, maybe tomorrow morning, they'll have that 50 to 55 range, and then they'll be able to move on to their normal jury selection process.
All right, Reagan Ledbetter staying on top of that story for us here at 4 o'clock. Thank you so much for that update, Reagan.